Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on location service on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on location service on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. In left pane, you will find Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down. Under App Permissions, you will find here an option, Location. Click on Location. And the first option is Location Services. Now it's turned off. Location will be available to Windows and anyone using this device when this is on. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now location service is turned on in my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.